Hey everyone, it's Happy Dude, and I'm gonna show you how the launch control in an Audi S3 works and what it can do. Okay, let's see if this launch control works. Holy shit! Wow, that's really impressive for a 2-liter. Now, let me show you how incredible this launch control in an Audi S3 is and how to set it up. Now, it's probably the same for an Audi RS3. I don't know. Please let me know in the comments below. And don't skip ahead because every bit of information I give is pretty important. So first of all, make sure that the oil is at the right temperature. Right now it's 107 degrees Celsius. And then put the car into dynamic or individual mode. The settings for individual don't matter. Then press and hold the traction control button. Make sure that the gearbox is in automatic and not manual. Then press hard on the brakes and the accelerator all the way to the end. Oh, that's weird. It isn't working. When that happens, turn the traction control back on and then put it into park, release the brake, press it again, put it back into drive, and then just drive forward a little bit. Okay, keep it in drive and keep your foot on the brake, and then press and hold the traction control button again. Now be careful because this traction control button has two different settings. When you press it one time, then you will get this message right here: ESC off, drive carefully, and this logo shows up. But you see, it's not completely off. It's only 50% off, and that's not good enough to use the launch control. So to turn it completely off, you have to press and hold the traction control button. But if you do it right now, it's not going to turn off, it's going to turn on again. So it needs to be on first before you can turn it completely off. So as you can see, it's now on, and now we can press and hold the traction control button for 5 seconds, and now you will see a different message. As you can see, you can let go of the button now, and when this message goes away, you will see this right here, ESC off. We didn't have that the previous time. Then press the gas pedal completely down, and then you will hear this sound. Then just keep pressing the gas pedal and release the brake, and off you go. Now, if you're like me and you see a BMW in your rear view mirror or on the horizon and a set of traffic lights, you probably are gonna want to set it up while you're driving, but sadly that isn't possible. It isn't going to work. You really have to set it all up when you're standing completely still. So to summarize everything, make sure the car is in dynamic or individual mode. Then make sure you're standing completely still. Then press and hold the brake pedal. Make sure the car is in automatic, not manual. Then press and hold the traction control button until it's completely off. Then put your foot on the gas pedal, push it completely down, and then just release the brake, and off you go. Now let's see what it can do by pushing it completely to the limit on the Autobahn. That was mighty impressive. This has to be the best launch control I've ever experienced. A lot better than my BMW M2, because in this Audi, when you release the brake pedal, the car sets off immediately. There's no delay whatsoever. And it also has four-wheel drive, so you don't lose traction. While in the BMW, that one has rear-wheel drive, and there was also a second delay when you release the brake pedal and actually launching the car, and that can mean the difference between winning and losing. Okay, let's do that again, but with dragy next to it. 60, 100, 800 meters. And here are the official times. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.90 seconds, and 100 to 200 kilometers an hour in 13.83 seconds, and 0 to 200 kilometers an hour in 18.73 seconds. And it did the quarter mile in 12.99 seconds and half a mile in 20.55 seconds. Now, don't use this launch control on every set of traffic lights, because it puts a lot of stress on the gearbox. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain. I better do this quickly. Wow, that looks like a massive thunderstorm waiting to happen. Oh damn, too late. It's soaking wet. That was incredible! That the car can do that in the pouring rain, and the acceleration is completely the same as it was dry. Very impressive. The launch control with this Quattro system on the Audi S3 is simply amazing. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and drive safely.